when I go to trade mobile on Top Step X, I can't do the four cells. But unfortunately, it doesn't save my preset. Maybe I should try that. Alrighty. Save layout. Save as new layout. Okay. Alrighty, yeah. Good morning, guys. CPI came out, so we are getting some movement already. Let's do some top-down analysis. I'll send out this stream is being recorded, so if you wish to go back, you can and watch over the stream and see the commentary and all that stuff. Okie dokie. Morning, Deontay. And good morning, people who are coming in. The kid, Kate Boughton, Jason, Gatecrasher, Danny, Crazy for Fun. Good to see y'all. So CPI came out this morning at 8:30. Initial move was a drop, and then climb up to 920s. And then here we are. So as far as what I'm interested in on NQ, there's a fair value gap on the 4-hour. Two of them above us. Both have been respected so far. This fair value gap on NQ from the 6th of September was is now inverse, was disrespected and closed over. Looks like end of market on Monday. So right now we're jumping off of, looks like an order block. Yep. So we have an order block here. Actually a ton of orders. This is just the area where orders happened previously before the move down. So there's no fair value gaps that I'm seeing other than the one that I marked out. And if you want to get even more technical, this fair value gap on the 4-hour can be lowered even more to the 1-hour. And there's a couple more gaps here on the 1-hour. Let me do this. Just so I know, which color should I do? I'll go light green. And then I'll change the text to say, "4-hour." Kind of blends in too much. Okay. So now I know where these fair value gaps were drawn from. Look at gold here. Gold looking to the downside. Same as oil. Oil could be a swing short. Yeah, very beautiful swing short. Ooh, yep. I am getting in oil. 212 down on the 15. Are you serious? I think that's a good size. All right, I'm doing a $1 stop loss. I'm in at 66.59. 66.59. Okay. Let me get this on the screen. Okay. Morning, John. I was wondering if you're holding Nike. I am. Yeah, unless I alert otherwise. Actually, I need to go through these. Oops. Okay. Yeah, Nike's not looking so hot anymore. Oxy's should be at an all-time low now. Yeah, JP Morgan and Bank of America both had really good days yesterday, and then today opening to the downside. McDonald's finally making a move down. Baba is up, but no clear direction there. Then playing Apple to the long side. Yeah, Nike's probably the only one I'm going to consider a cut. I'd like to hold it for another couple points, but yeah. Actually, those contracts are not for as far down as I am, or as Nike is. Those contracts still have 65 cents in the closer in the money leg. Vladipia, I've been following some of your trades on Paper Server, and they've been killing so far. Thank you. All right, ES giving out the floor here. Mark this out. So these are the three levels I see on ES to the downside. If we do give out this floor, 54.48, 54.42, and 53.94. On CL, really, I'm targeting 1.3R would not be a horrible first trim. Gold, I'd be interested in shorting in this fair value gap here. Boom. And then, of course, looking at the downside on NQ. I'm getting short NQ 18.754. 50 points. Some wide 1 minute candles. So these will be pretty much stop loss or 1R trades. I will not take off at half R on NQ here. That last 1 minute candle was 51 points. I'm going to take a 1R short at 51 for 20 points. If it triggers, there's a sell stop in there. CL starting to curl back down. Anxious to see if NQ has found its bottom here, or if we need to go find more friends to go lower. Double inside. I have a sell stop 72 to go to 52 for 20.1 R. Actually, it's half R. All right, stopped out NQ. Canceling the 1Rs. Looks like a failed 2 down. All right, willing to get back into this NQ. See what the 5 looks like. Gonna hold off for now, only because this 2-minute chart's finding a lot of lower wicks. Pretty much if we close a 2-minute under 790, I might be interested short. Starting a short again here, 77. See a 2 down here, and that'll hit 1R. As long as this 2-minute doesn't end failed, feel good about this breaking low of day. If we start going stagnant here, Like that. I'm out. Get my alert right. Not liking a green 3-bar. ES had the same thing there on the 1. I'll wait for this 5-minute inside bar and then find direction after that. No trades on this 1-minute candle. Although it might be going in my direction. But an outside bar that ends green is not a good candle to end on for a bearish trade. All right, sell stop in at 61 for that 2-1-2 down on the 5. Triggered. Filled at 59.75. And that 50-point stop covers that full 5-minute candle too. Going to take a 1R at 39.50. See if I can compound on this break. ES first target was hit. 42.50 is the next price target I'm looking at on ES. Getting a nice failed 2 up here on the 1-minute so far. Ideally, we're going to go failed 2 up into a 2 down and then wipe this liquidity at 42.50 and then have so much momentum that we clear the 30s as well. That's the trade idea here. Outside bar on ES. Okay, got the failed 2 up. Step 1. CL making a move lower. That's up 20 ticks now. Okay, got the 2 down on NQ.
Pick back up at 45. Yeah, big kerfufflation down here. Let's see if we get this 40s. adding right here. Beautiful, beautiful snap there down.
It will close on a failed 2 down, 2 up.
We have continuation here. Big bounce back up.
Just not able to get through these 50s right now.
60s. Definitely a big consolidation down here. I would like to see this nice flush. I would stop out at about 70 here.
Stop loss up to that 1 minute high.
So watching here, if we get this failure back below 60, adding for another test of 50s here to the downside.
You're adding short, right?
Yep, adding short. Looking for this to flush through 50s. And if we don't get this, I will be retrying this trade up at 780s or so. I'm out of this trade if we get to 70s, but right now we are retesting these 50s to the downside.
Here we go.
Okay. There we go.
Looking for this violence without a bounce.
1R tagged in.
Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And we are out.
Testing the 30s. There's 1R hit.
But I just hit max profit on those combines. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful.
I think this
50 points hit. Let's go.
705. 705 is
Let's freaking go.
Let's do it.
Just took a little bit extra to push up.
Wow, that was what is that? 70.
All right, now up 1R.
In a heartbeat.
McCree in chat says, Jesus, how many have you lost in that 5-minute candle? 0, my friend.
I've lost $600 times 5.
What a weird thing to say. We are flushing heavily here. I hope that people in chat caught that move there.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. So I can't trade these combines anymore because they're at max profit. So, I mean, I'll just try to talk through the trades here.
Nice, Rich.
Honestly, I looked over and I'm like, wow, that's insane. I had no idea.
Yep. Now we watch.
That was a beautiful
Let's go.
Got that.
100 points hit.
Turning red here. Red on
I
every.
am looking for a 1R opportunity.
Double top. We did break below that low, and let's see. Let's see if we can get to these 600s. Will we see 590s, 580s?
How many check marks do we have on that short?
Gotta run, Jess. Have a good one, man.
All right, man.
See ya. That short in chat. Let's get some W's going in chat. I am curious how many folks that are watching here caught
I'll take a 1R on at 57 if this does go
I did not.
222 continuation to the downside.
Mike WWWs. Oh wow! Look at everybody. Look at everybody.
I love to see that.
Yeah, that first one was good. It was looking like it was hold, and then it just failed. And we just, man, look at this. That was.
See if I can get in on any options. Anything that hasn't quite exploded. Like Disney is a no.
You know what's beautiful about that trade, Dakota, is that we talked about.
What is my pay? What is going on over here? Good morning, Alpha. What is it? Yeah, this is all weird. Spy filled at 57.
For the price to come to us, we weren't jumping into anything willy-nilly. We waited for the price action to come to us, and now here we are with a tremendous dump. Now I kind of have a little FOMO. Wish I was trading this on my exit base.
There goes ES too. Is ES going to be going and testing the Friday's lows?
These are some serious lows here.
This week is gone. So let's see if we get a pullback.
I'm willing to add in under that 42 if we can get to it.
Sure, yeah. Not for me. I'm down 600.
It's okay. $600 is a rip in the wind for you, Dakota.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't trade my combines anymore. I'm literally max profit. I literally looked over and that dump, I literally had to hit my hotkey to close.
No order at 42 right now.
Because I was up 2,500 and then I made another 2,100 on that trade. So I'm actually at 4,600 on my combines there. So, hey, great day. I'll take it. Let's look at lower levels here. NASDAQ lower levels 644 3/4, 691 1/4. And 607 evens. If you want to mark that out on your chart there, Dakota.
Yeah, I like those.
We are actually bouncing at that.
Taking off the 1R break even. Minus 4 points.
For folks in the clubhouse, you know that level good and well.
And then we have what?
CL grinding down. I do have an order at half R for CL.
644 3/4.
572. Okay. Say the other one after 572.
607 evens.
607. Yep, I like those ones.
And then lower 534 quarters. 534 quarters. Yeah, we see Microsoft rolling out of bed alongside Apple and Nvidia, and we were gabbing about that before the flush happened. We said if we see those three names starting to roll over and fail, by golly, we're going to have a red day.
There we go. Good enough. Okay.
All right, 1R sitting at 52.
Do we get a pullback and we get in short to see continuation to the downside? Nvidia's still holding positive for some odd reason, and everything else that I'm seeing is just red.
I see some chat going off to trade my live account. I might. I could potentially trade my live account right now. I did make 5,000 in my live account yesterday. I do expect to be on the yesterday's best leaderboard that will not be presented today.
We can make our own.
Yeah, we can make our own. So yesterday I did make 5,000 in the live. Of course, posted that to Twitter, as I always do, posting those results. But I don't know if I'm going to trade my live today. Between 2 days, between my live and my XFAs, that puts me up, what, $14,000 or 16, 14, $14,000. I don't know if I want to continue to trade that. That's a good 2 days for me.
Yep, and it trades off to me, hands on butts, until we see something else.
All right, we're
Not even liking longs down here.
targeting those 589s, then eventually the 500s.
The targets to the downside in the S&P have dramatically changed since we have broken through Monday's low here. I am looking for 54.14 and a quarter and 54
Filled on the 1R 52.
now in the S&P, especially since we rejected at 54.31 and 3/4.
Here we go. Let's see if we could test those 644s.
Yeah, we are. We're doing the wiggle dance down here, and this is a beautiful, beautiful trade for anybody who took this short. We do have to see whether or not we are going to break those 644s to the downside. I would like to
Can we break the 50s?
Moment and just thank you, Dakota, for hosting the show all week in Top Step's absence. I think that you stepping up to the plate and doing this, trading live for everybody out there.
These fair value gaps might be the magnet for price here if we can't break through these 50s.
And spending your time, spending your morning, trading live in front of everybody here that's tuning in. Thank you very much for this, Dakota. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks, Rip. Thanks for joining me. It's been fun. This is fun. And win or lose, I mean, at the end of the day, like, this is what I'm here for.
Okay, getting back to the 50s.
I love trading with the chat. Win or lose, you guys get to see good, bad, and ugly. And you get to see everything.
CL back to break even. Not my favorite place to see it.
And yeah, this is what it's about. You can't really find anything else like this. Very rare.
Yeah, it's a really great program that Top Step puts together. And what's great about it too is that you folks out there that are in chat right now, you have more of a voice than you know. I'm very active on Twitter, and I always am welcoming comments and constructive feedback of how that we can all improve Top Step as a whole. I don't know if you noticed yesterday, but Top Step TV had a little bit, I was very, very tired, and that it is what it is, but Top Step TV treated the house account a little bit differently when Dakota and I were on yesterday. We didn't have the polling the chat for the check marks, and I feel like that worked out a little bit better than it has in the past. So we're always looking for ways here on Top Step TV to improve the performance of the viewers out there that you're sitting here watching this show and the people who are on the show directing the house account trades. If you did think that format was better, I think that you should be vocal about that, because I think that personally, from my view, which is not the same as Dakota's view or anybody else's view out there, just my own view, I feel like the house account was executed a lot better. Hoke as the executor was fantastic. I see you're getting in here long.
Yep,
Dakota,
I'm getting in along here.
trade.
Yep, this is just another small trade being early. Seeing if I can get.
All right, stopped out on the 1R.
Let's see if we can get a break.
Back to flat on the 1R.
When I get a good trade, it
was beautiful.
Let me get into the full position. That's okay. Let's see if we can get a push. Maybe a test of 700. I'd like to see test of 700.
We have that level 691 and a quarter, Dakota. I'd like to see a nice clean auction above that and a retest of that, making that as the new low here. So let's see if we can get up and above 691. We are seeing a little bit of traffic heading into that. Some folks are front running those 90s, but let's see if we can get up above 691 and a quarter and using that as a baseline now.
Yeah, I'm out. Gosh, dang it. Oh well, that's okay. Good trade. That's a start.
What's the P&L? That was a nice bounce recovery.
Minus
there.
540. It was like $100 or something.
Hey, there you go. That's beautiful.
I was trying to get in at the bid, and it was just it kept going up too fast, so it wouldn't let me get into my half a contract or 4 micros. That's okay.
Yeah, there's a comment in chat here. I feel like the house account takes losses because it takes too long to decide on what to do. Trading is almost instinctual. I think that yesterday's format was a nice change from what we've been seeing. And again, I ask for everybody's feedback as much as you can give because this is a community that we're all building together here. Top Step TV is a wonderful community.
All right, still in the trims,
Out there who are coming here
not in the 1R.
better your trading, or even just looking to hang out with some trading buddies. It's a great community that we have, and anything that we can all do to collectively to improve our community, we want to.
Although I do like that failed 2 up, 2 down.
And comments are always going to be welcome for ways that we can improve the process around here.
30 seconds on a 5-minute inside bar, which was the trigger for this big trims play.
Top Step. That's why I'm here. Is MP and the team? Yeah, they all deserve a break, and I hope they're having a break there, losing golf balls in the rough and out of bounds and some of those water hazards. I'm pretty sure. I'd love to know the lost ball count. I hope they keep count, and I hope they listen to me. The golf ball budget is pretty up there now. But aside from always giving him a joke, because I'd love to go golfing with them. They listen to the audience. They listen to everybody. That's what attracted me to Top Step. That's why I'm here, where we was able to get slow markets done. I'm able to have that control and be able to voice my own opinion. I think traders might like to see this or that or this. And the traders are also being vocal, and Top Step does it. It's like, how can we make traders and give them the platform to improve and become the best that they can be in their own? And how can we get, like what they say, they always say the Michael Jordan. How do we get these traders to a funded account, into a live account, and build something great?
And I think that's what we're doing. And with the help of the community out there, we're going to make that happen. It's definitely a lot of work in progress to get to where the
Got a sell stop at 65.50
but I think that
in queue for a 1R.
community and the support that we've had from the community. I was polling my community in my own stream. I know that you were talking during slow markets.
This is an early trade, but
and I think that we will eventually find a healthy balance. But I think yesterday was.
I think it could lead to 2R plus with the right momentum. I'm obviously only holding to 1R, but I'm saying if this breaks and triggers me 1R here, I'm probably going to get back in 1R at under 40s.
Yeah, I'm ready. Got this.
It was bang on execution.
Man, it was beautiful. It got me excited. Win or lose, even. I didn't mind if I was lose. I think it was just, it felt good. It felt.
Yeah, it's getting the trades that we want to get without the. Because the thing that happens when you're trading the NASDAQ, and I mean, we've been trading on here live for you folks out there watching in chat. We've been trading live here all morning. It's been a very eventful morning, but I don't know if you've noticed it, but the NASDAQ really doesn't wait. So we don't really have time to poll the chat, in my opinion. If we did have the time to do it, if we were trading something like the bonds or something that moved a little bit slower, maybe there's room for that. But when we're trading a beast like the NASDAQ that likes to move 30 handles in under a minute, even 100 handles sometimes in under a minute.
I think this is going higher.
Round trips in 2 minutes in the NASDAQ lately. We just don't have time to wait.
It's stalling out in this little 1 minute fair value gap.
Trades that go on with somebody like,
I hope I'm wrong because I'm still in trim short.
I just want to say your trade, I wasn't involved in it whatsoever. Your trade was absolutely fantastical. It was amazing, and you nailed it. You didn't hesitate. You went for it, and the execution was beautiful. And seeing that, to me as a viewer, because I was backseating that trade, it was inspiring for me to see that. And knowing what you're looking for in your execution uninterrupted was a beautiful thing.
Yeah, it goes both ways. Yeah, you had, and yeah, when it's the market open, and I'm getting into a long here again. Let's see if we can get a
Good luck to you.
Yeah.
No, and I mean that. I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
not
I know.
sarcastic. I want to
let's
see
see if we
again.
can get
We're looking
this.
for the same thing. 691s need to hold. We need to get a whip above 691s, and we need to retest those 691s, and they need to hold to the top side there.
Yep. Yeah, let's see.
I'd prefer to see a 2 down here on this 1 minute,
Seeing if we could get a push.
but I'm okay seeing a failed 2 up.
Close to 1.5%. It never did go red, I don't think.
ES is weaker right now than NQ.
This is looking interesting.
Usually ES is showing the,
We're looking at the Magnificent 7 right now. We're seeing a lot of red across.
you know, here's an example.
We're finding for the Bulls today.
ES is kind of like this.
And I think that's due to the fact that they are speaking.
And NQ is kind of like
That's really the only hope. If we
this,
see Nvidia rejecting underneath the VWAP,
which is why we like NQ mostly for trading, because it is very volatile and also directional, but obviously it's, you know, sometimes you can get faked out. Still no fill on the 1R. It's gotten close.
Everything that we have on the docket over the next few trading days. We have the jobs report tomorrow, PPI tomorrow, FOMC next Wednesday, roll expiry, the contract expiry next Friday. These are things that can create a tremendous amount of volatility in the market. So just because we have such a huge
There's a fill.
doesn't mean that we can't reject back to where we opened today. Anything can happen, and don't forget that.
Yeah, I got out of that one a little bit early because we didn't hold what I was looking for up in these 80s, and good thing I did because we did push back below. Let's see. I'm still not opposed to getting long if we push right back up and consolidate again.
Yeah, the market is definitely finding some pause here. You are having some folks deciding on whether or not they're going to close their longs. There's a bunch of folks here that have definitely, shorts. Sorry, I misspoke. There's a bunch of folks here that are deciding between whether or not they're going to be closing these shorts, adding to these shorts, looking for more downside pain. It's a very precarious area of the market right now. We are between those.
Here we go.
691 and a quarter. We do have.
Let's go 2 down here. Let's go. Nice. Taking a little bit off a half R.
Let's move over to crude for a moment.
Break even now on the rest.
I'm gonna keep Nasdaq over here on the right. Oh, crude is. Yeah, you can see that volatility.
Looks like we have.
Ooh, I unbeknownst to me held through that crude. Well, I guess I would have held anyway because it's a super wide stop. The crude is going 1R hit on NQ.
44 level is the level we're looking for holds down here. We are breaking through and flushing that level. 607 is the next level to the downside here.
And there goes Nasdaq.
We are rolling heavily here. So congratulations to anybody who is shorting this market. We are seeing Nvidia rejecting underneath the VWAP. The level that I want to see Nvidia cleanly breaking to the downside is 108 evens. 108 evens.
CL, come on downtown, baby.
Apple, Amazon, and Google here.
CL half R hit, 50 ticks.
Anne Marie in chat says 65 is the line she's looking for in CL. Good to see you, Anne Marie. Thank you for joining us today.
Yep. She's going to be on with me a little bit later. I'll have to double check the schedule. She is. Oh, no, not her. D's tomorrow, Jay. Okay. Man, maybe we could get you on here, Anne Marie.
Truman Oxy 4.75.
I still have a few kinks to get worked out and running an entire day show, but anything's possible.
Well, since we have that huge dump happening, I do want to get a look here at market internals. We do have the NYSE volume at 113 million shares. That is 3% above its 1-month average. Decliners are leading advancers today by 3.71. No surprises there. The NASI volume is at 1.71 billion shares. That is 10% above its 1-month average, and decliners are leading advancers by 2.5 to 1. The VIX is up 10% today at 20.95, and that's due to the market rolling out of bed from that disgusting CPI print.
Yeah, crude oil's pushing below these $66 a barrel. Nasdaq hovering around 620s.
All right, stop loss up on CL.
Being tested to the downside here in the NAS. I'm sure there's some folks who are still holding short from the tippy top here that are counting their lucky stars, because what a beautiful day if you are short all day long today.
Yeah, Nasdaq's down what, 1.25% almost.
It's down, baby. It is down. It is down for the count. Yeah, 1.25% here. So we are coming down into the lows in the S&P that we saw on September 10th and the 9th.
Vlad, I am still in PDD. Hasn't gone anywhere.
The NASDAQ and the
So it's just it's
the lower level that I'm looking
down, I think, like,
some traction of either shorts closing
what,
or
30% maybe? 25%?
572. Will we get there?
Where are the contracts at?
7 is gonna give us the clues on whether or not
72, yeah, so 30-ish percent.
my live account, but after a move like
But
this, the probability
options I hold
of having a winning trade just definitively
hodl. I mean, I'm still in Bank of America. That's so far a net neutral play because I took profit. Now it's a drawdown with the smaller amount of quantity.
auction theory basically says that when the S&P auctions at 5,500, imagine we're in a big room and somebody says, "Hey, do you want S&Ps at 5,500?" And we kind of poll the room to see if anybody wants it, much like we do poll the chat users in here on Top Step TV. And if nobody's looking to buy at 5,500, well, the price is going to auction lower and look for buyers there. And that's kind of what happened again today. On that CPI print, we had a push back above 5,500, and the auction said, "Hey, anybody interested in 5,500s?" And the auction said no. And now we are searching for price now almost at 5,400, even 100 points much, much lower.
Yep. Let's see if we could get to these 600s.
Yeah, I'm looking at 607 here to the downside. This is still rolling out of bed here. There is a chance that we could get all the way down to 5,400 here in the S&P. If we get to 607 and we do find some strength there, I do want to potentially see where we reject. And if we're rejecting lower than 630, I could potentially be looking at taking a trade here.
Yeah, we tested 607 3/4.
Yeah, we are seeing a little bit of liquidity build up, but not that much. We are still seeing this thing free fall. Not a lot of topside interest in the market so far. Still kind of rolling out of bed here. So it's looking pretty grim for both indices here. On a failure of 607, I do want to look at a short here potentially. Let's see if we can have anything rolling over through 607. We have a nice little perk up here. Let's see if we get all the way back up to 630 or so.
Yeah, let's see if NVIDIA can turn red as well. We back down to 0.6%.
Yeah, we are auctioning back up to 630. This is where I want to see a potential rejection. I'm not in any trade yet.
Another spot-on level, Rips.
Sometimes you get lucky, Dakota. Sometimes
your levels today that I put on my chart, like the market's been bouncing 20 points off these or so on the smaller side, and there it is again.
Yep, 630s are rejecting. Let's see if we can actually hold the rejection. I'd love to see a rejection right under 644 for a potential short into this market for a potential sweep of those lows at 607. I could start testing the waters short here. I'm just watching the order flow, how we're interacting around 630. I want to try to be patient. Okay, we are pushing up. Let's see. 644s. Yeah, no, we're blasting through that level here.
Yeah.
Let's see if we have a rejection. Look at that clear out at 644 there. Watching here. Still not in a trade. Just eyeballing here.
I have a sell stop at 22.75
These 44s.
for 1 hour.
Is looking for a nice healthy rejection here. All right, I'm going to try a small short underneath 44 here. That's what I'm looking for. Small short under 44. See if we can get this trending down lower here. I want to see 35 starting to break to the downside. See if we have, there we go. Nice flush adding into that there. Beautiful, beautiful flush. Let's see if we can break through 25s now. Beautiful adding to that for that 625.
Very nice 1 minute candle for shorts. Rejected that fair value gap. Let's see a 2 down here now.
Let's see if we can get through this kerfufflation to the downside. I'm looking for weakness here. Tremendous weakness to the downside. There are some bids stacking up at 625. We do have to cut through those here and now. And if we don't get there, we don't get there. And I'm covering there as we get back up to 630 for a little bit of a scratch trade there.
Great trade. Once again, that level was support, became resistance right there at those 644s. Man, these levels.
Okay, testing again, 625, back into the trade here, looking for 20s to fail. Again, just trying to play this small, tight range that we have here. Looking for 625s to be the rejection point. If we have that, we can take this all the way down to 607. 625 is a little bit of traffic here. We do have a volume profile forming from 20 to 25. So let's see if we can get this. We are down here at these lows, but that doesn't mean that we can't go much lower here. 607 is a big, big area. There's some bids that are shaping up here at 625. If I still see these bids being super strong, we have room all the way up to 644 for a potential add. Just trading a 1 lot here. Watching back here at 625.
I'm just sitting back. I'm going to enjoy this. Just gonna listen to
All right, 8 points away from that 1 hour.
Let's see if we can get this break of 620s to the downside now, and a beautiful roll over. Let's see if we get that 607 level entertained here. Closing that trade up $1,000 in my Top Step Live account there.
Woo! Man, There we go.
Come on.
Go.
Come on.
I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy the show. I have my
Come on.
trading mug here. You can see all the technical analysis. It says Dakota's trading mug.
Wicked under it.
What's this? We're gonna watch.
So we really came back down to that 607 level. That I tried to hold the trade as close as I could to that. My execution says that I got out at 611. So 4 points off our target. I'll take that to the bank.
Man, can't ask for anything better than that.
So now if we break 607s, the target to the downside is 570.
Come on.
There's a lot of traffic we have to get through. The probabilistic odds of us shooting
Taking it some off at half.
because there's so much traffic down here in both the NASDAQ and the S&Ps.
Nvidia's testing the red. Nvidia's hovering now near zero.
You know what's funny too is right here now.
I want to get in on options short, but Hughes does not look very attractive.
Very happy to do it. Again, I wasn't looking for a monster trade there. If we came down and we're slamming through 607s, I'm going to hold that out for as long as I can. But, you know, on the size that I'm trading, I'm just looking for a nice little scalp.
Okay, new fiver here. Let's see if this goes 2 down and breaks 600s and just flushes. There it goes. 1 hour hit.
Start entertaining back above those 30s again, and a clear rejection of 30s would bring us back to the downside here. Although I don't know if we get that push back up.
It's a buy stock.
Gotcha. Okay, there's 600s getting tested here.
And I'm
a lot
out.
of liquidity pushing to the downside.
Quick $100. $100
Hey,
on that.
there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
quick 7 points.
Matthew Oxy has been great, yeah.
The reason why this becomes
Yeah, it's been a flusher.
to that 582 level from yesterday as well, and then we have a level at 572. So this is kind of playing with fire here, and I'm not so sure I want to play chicken on my live account. So across the board, that puts us close up to $9,000 today.
Nice.
And that's a good day for me. I think that's a perfectly fine day.
When I take a short, is that the bottom of the market?
Sometimes it feels like that, doesn't it?
Right there, right? I took that short.
But I
from
mean,
like
look at your
6
chart. Look at these levels, Dakota. These levels are just bang on today.
Yes, they are. I'd like to break above these 617s.
Yeah, I would love to see 644 coming back up and rejecting because that would give us such an easy short back to 607. But this is where it gets really difficult, folks. This is where we have, I call these highly trafficked nodes. These are very high trafficked areas of the market where we have what's going to be consolidation, and then we're going to either break up out of that consolidation or break down. And those are the trades I try to avoid. If we can get any kind of hints from the order flow, those are the scalps I'm looking to take. And that's why I took that scalp short from 630s on that trade. 630s down to 607.
I'm taking some off at 150 points on the trims. So these will come out of the 10R. Reason is because we're rejecting these 60s, or sorry, these 600s. And I do have a level here at 589.75 prior to my 2R or my 4R trim.
Break of that area bringing us all the way down to 53.50 and change. So there's a lot of room to the downside, but we just have to get through these highly trafficked nodes first.
Yeah, volatility's spiking.
And remember, there's nobody forcing you to trade these areas. It's better to wait and not have FOMO and sit here and say, you know, I missed this. I got to go for this. You got to do that. Just be patient. Wait for what we talked about at the top of the show. Wait for the price to come to you. Don't be dictated by the price action itself unless you're one of those folks who can read order flow really well.
Back to the 600s.
Focus on letting the price come to
Insane.
I might have just got whipped in at 617.
Oh, well, hey, that's a great trade.
Long. 617.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, that's what I mean whipped in. Looked like it was going to break, and it just tagged me in. Let's see what can happen. I might add to this. It's only 2 micros, now 3.
Gotcha. Remember, 3 micros is 30% of 1 mini.
Yeah, yep, exactly. 1 micro is a tenth. Yep, exactly.
There we go. 600s. Cracking it.
Volatility here, right? Let's see if this can hold it
again,
all.
high trafficked areas of the market do bring us consolidation. There's your break below 600. Some stops being popped below that, and we are sending it lower. 572 is our downside target here. Let's see if we can get it on the ticket. So breaking yesterday's low, 572 is our target to the downside here. I am flat. I have no trade on right now.
Nvidia red? Did Nvidia go red? Let's see. Yeah, Nvidia's red.
Yeah, Nvidia's red by almost 0.5%. So we rejected underneath the EMA in Nvidia there. We are continuing this roll to the downside. 572 almost tagged on the ticket here. Let's see if we can get that. That would be a nice little area to either close a short or look for a bounce trade.
Looking at NVIDIA short.
I am erring on the side of caution and not looking at longs in this market right now.
See, market won't just drop like that when I'm in short.
It rarely does, right? The market rarely
No.
does what we want it to do.
It waits till I get in long and then just dumps.
I hear that.
But I got out before the dump, so.
Yeah, so back to the same, like these levels have just been so spot on today. We're coming right to
Yeah,
that
we
level,
went right
finding
down
a
there
little
to these
bout of
72s.
consolidation here. Let's see if we can reverse this move all the way back up to 600s. The levels
I'm in at 1.02 on the NVIDIA 105 puts for this Friday.
That level in the auction is saying, no, we want to sell that. There is room to the downside for a test of 572s for the first time here and now today.
I do like this level. These 580s, 590s. Yeah, NVIDIA's red, hovering around 0. And Tesla's taking a hit.
Rips levels are scaring me. Hey, you know, it's good to have these levels on your chart because it can guide the trade. It can really help you guide your trade. Whenever anybody asks me about how I use levels, I always tell them it's like a GPS to guide your trades.
Yeah, we're just getting these nice little bounces off them. I'm not. Still no main reversal on the 5-minute. There has not been a 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute. This feels just like Friday.
Yeah, rejection there under 600s. Again, we are probably going to be testing lower if we have this continued failed auction that we had. 600s have been defended very heavily here on this bounce back up. It tells me that people are looking to get in as short as they can. Even right there, we had an exchange from 580. Some stops went off, and 585 was the next level of contention where they sold into that. There's 572 almost on the ticket. And testing. See if we can get lower. Again, I have no trades on. I'm just talking you through the order flow that I'm seeing here on my screens. Almost to the ticket there. 572 is that next level we're watching. Below that, 534 and a quarter is the next level to the downside here.
How far are we down so far from the high?
1.5% in the NAS.
Okay, which is, what is it, 300, 400 points almost?
There's our 72. Just got entertained. I do expect a little bit of liquidity in exchange down here. We're building a nice, healthy volume shelf from 72 all the way up to 85. So nice little perk off of 72 there. What was the low? 71 and a quarter, so off by 3 ticks. 70s are getting hammered. It looks like we're going to have a nice flush through that there.
Here's next level we have is what, 534?
534 spot 25. 534 spot 25. And on the S&Ps, the next level to the downside here. We are at that next level, 5414 spot 25. Next level to the downside in the S&P, 5403 spot 25.
Yeah, I see that. That was from the 9th.
Correct.
Yep.
Now we are coming down here. Congratulations to anybody who's still holding this market short. Beautiful, beautiful move to the downside.
Yeah,
today.
that would be curious to see who's holding.
Anne Marie in chat says 53.89 to 53.94, and ES is next for her. The levels I have: 5403 spot 25, 5385 spot 75.
Well, oil has just slowed down.
So again,
Had that big push down, and then said, that's good enough for now.
We auction back above 72. We're finding weakness around this level. If we have continued weakness, this is a
Q's looking to break Monday lows right now.
All right, I'm going to put this on auto, and I'm going to run to the restroom. Rips, but my chart's up, and it's on auto. You know what? No, I'm not going to run to the restroom because I see a potential trade setup.
What are you looking for? Talk us through this.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a little bit of a bounce here. Yeah, I'm going to play for a bounce. What else, right? Where else would I be playing for a long? Come on, guys. Come on, let's...
1.13 on NVIDIA.
We're going to either reject, but I like this level. This is just the level of the 570s. See if we get a pushback. Just a few
could reject all the way back up to 600, 600.
And of course it's bouncing now.
600, 610s. That's where we have the next area of contention. We have to get through 590 here. Some big shorts are closing. That's where we're seeing this kerfufflation to the top side. But if 85 is still being defended, this will come right back down because that was a larger player probably rolling out of the contract or just closing shorts from earlier here. So 85 is a level we're watching for defense.
All right, now I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Nice trade there, Dakota.
It's trading small. I don't mind. $50 here, $50 there, minus 100.
It adds up. It really adds up.
Yeah, it's still waiting. I don't see anything that I'm super excited about, so I haven't seen a great trade. When I do, I'm going to be switching to minis. So
beautiful.
Yep.
And I love that. It's the same way that I'm kind of gauging my accounts today too. Traded XFAs off the CPI print, then moved over to combines, traded our live account for $1,000 there. Yeah, it's just pacing yourself in these markets. Remember, trading is you versus you. Nobody's forcing you to take any trades.
Exactly. Now, if I'm gone to the bathroom and we start the rally, I'm going to be pissed off.
Better than being pissed on, Dakota. I will say that.
Well, we'll see what happens when I get back. It's better. I mean, if I stay here any longer, I would be pissed on, right? So, I'll be back.
Ooh, coming for my 200-point trim.
Mistake number 1 on stream.
Go on. Go on, you can. 5 points away. I'm not moving my order.
72s are still trading here. We are flushing a little bit lower. The level that I'm looking for to the downside again, 534 and a quarter, 534 and a quarter. If we do reject again off of 72 here, I do think that we can make our way higher up at 607, if not 610. So again, very, very risky trading this consolidation. If we don't have continued downside movement, we will kerfuffle around here, but it looks like we are fading 572 here, 572.
Oh, it hit. It didn't hit on TradingView, but it definitely hit on Top Step X. Got all the way down to 59.
It does coincide with a lot of interesting levels that we have.
I'll see if it comes back down before.
Specifically on the ES here, looking at the level here of 54.14.
Oh, that's why. Because this is 2 ticks off.
At least what would be a temporary reversion in the market, finding people who are happy to close their shorts because I mean we're down from 55.05 down here at 54.14. That's 100 handles in the S&P. That's a big trade that we'd be seeing a lot of shorts closing that there. So will that happen or will we find more downside? That's what we wait to see from clues in the order flow here.
The file.
If I could run a poll right now, I would want to see how many folks are actually long, short, or flat here. Do me a favor. If you're flat, put an F in chat. If you're long, put an L in chat. And if you're short right now, put an S in chat. Let's get a little temperature and interaction here from you folks. I'm curious how many folks are flat, how many folks are short, how many folks are long here.
All right. Nice old green day there.
Okay. A lot of flat. That's good. Okay. So
love that. And it's continuing to go.
We've got some folks who are also short as well. Yeah, it's a big mix here. I wish we could see the
Did I update my other 1R trade? I have 3R. Let me double check. Trades. 1R. Minus 1R, or 1R, minus 1R, 1R, 1R. I only have 1 extra.
Please vote in that poll. Really appreciate it. If we're looking at the top step tilt right now, it looks like we have 58% short in the NASDAQ, 55% short in the S&Ps, 67% short in crude, 7% long in gold.
That was loud.
We are fading a little bit lower here. S&Ps are cracking below 54.14, but not heavily yet. Not too heavily there. Thank you, Robert. Really appreciate you.
Robert,
thank you so much. Robert, you're goated. Thank you.
Fire. I'm back.
Where is the broke button? Oh, goodness. Today's not an easy day to trade. In hindsight, everything's easy, so don't feel that you're, out of the pocket for one day is not that big of a deal. It's okay. It's okay to be busted today. It's okay to not be in the pocket for one day. It's just one day. We move on. We trade again tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not in the... this is fun. This is really fun. This is not... The market's not my ideal situation, but... Yeah, I think this is a good example for everyone. Hey, guess what? I'm long biased, and in this horrible market, I'm only down $500.
And that's by mitigating your downside risk by trading in the micros. You haven't traded 10 micros in a single clip, if I'm not correct, right? That's accurate?
The short.
All right, out of NVIDIA.
We did get into 10 micros, which is one mini. And yeah, that was the only thing that I felt confident was a quick short scalp. You guys seen that?
Right. Well, you know, you just went to the bathroom. I'm going to hit my own bathroom break if you don't mind
Yeah. Yep.
giving me a little...
Gone. All right. Oh, trading is so lonely when you don't have somebody to trade with, huh? Let's... I'm still liking the long side, everybody. Liking the longs.
I probably will just trail this out and
Like I said, trying to be patient. We've been selling off. We haven't got a
call it an over 2-hour day
reversal
on the trims.
all the way, but that could change. That could change very fast, and it can actually change right here, right now. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and get into a long. I don't mind getting stopped out again if we do, but looking at this consolidation, my target's going to be 580s. If not, we break. NVIDIA's getting right back to 0. Let's see if we get a break. Gold. Maybe we'll take a look at gold in just a moment. Focusing on this first. Focusing on this. Can we get a clean break? This is just gonna whipsaw me out again. Yeah, it's gonna whipsaw me. Oh, it sure is quiet. Yeah, this is why I'm happy to have guests on. It is quiet. Now I feel like I'm talking to myself again, which I do not like. As we watch these markets, I gotta get used to talking to myself again. Ugh, I'm just not liking that. Another failed break to the long side. Do we invert the charts? Do we invert these charts? What would an invert chart? Yeah, I still don't like, even if these charts were inverted, I don't, it's hard to buy this to me because we're not getting any good pullbacks.
West Coast guy, I'm out, Jesse. Thanks for your guidance. Well, what a day. Let's go. Nice job, dude.
Even with inverted charts,
You hit the buttons. I provide my opinion.
I don't see a long on the inverted chart.
And also what I'm doing.
I still don't. We'll watch this. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I'm going to build this again. I don't mind getting into this trade. There you are. I'll bring you back in just a second, Rips. I just got stopped out with 5, and now here we go. Let's see if we can pull you back in. There you are.
Hey, there we are.
Looking for a break, maybe a retest of 600. We've seen some consolidation here in these 60s. I had one fake out and a stop loss, got stopped out for minus, it looks like $200. I'm going to try and build into a position. We'll see. We'll see.
It looks like those 54.14 and a quarters are holding in the S&Ps here. So I don't hate the trade, and I'd love to see a huge reversion off of these lows here. We are seeing NVIDIA gather a little bit of gusto, but the only problem is that Meta and Apple are not agreeing with that. They're still rolling to 10, and that pressure could continue to carry the markets down with that weight.
Yep, I've been buying the top of this.
3 bars are not always bad. So this 5 minutes of 3 bar. If we ran out of steam to keep going or to continue to go down, we have to go up to find it. So if anything, a 3 bar is actually ideal if we've already ran out of steam because it's telling me that we've swept that liquidity. Now if this 3 bar ends green and then goes 2 up, I'm getting out of the trade. That's that.
We just have to find a way to bust through those defenders. If there's enough people who are looking to close their shorts down here, that could give us the upside pull where we start to see some stops being popped and some folks stepping out of the way as we do rally a little bit higher out of this gully of despair.
Yeah, let's see. Testing the upper side of this range. Still haven't been into 10 micros yet.
Yeah, that's good. That's great risk management there. Very, very good risk
So
management.
far, my biggest trade was to the short side. My biggest trade to the long side is right here, 7 micros. Gully of despair.
It's a classic term. It's kind of like the London Bridges pattern. This is the gully of despair that we are in right now.
Yes. We're consolidating. This, I bet you if I switch to the 5-minute chart, it might be looking tempting to a 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute. Can we see
For
it?
anybody out there asking how do you inverse your charts, the key press combination is Alt and I. Alt and I. Yeah, we are just holding right around this level here. We still are kind of tucked right around that 72 level.
I will get out of these shorts if it goes 3-2 down or 3-2 up.
Option a little bit higher. The Atlanta August
Because I'd be willing to guess that this is going to retrace all the way up above 700s. But I'm not confident enough in that prediction to put anything on long. So
Beautiful push up there, Dakota. Beautiful, beautiful push up here on that Atlanta Fed read. Very, very nice. Now, let's see if we can get back above 18,600. This could get short starting to panic. We do have to see whether or not we're auctioning above that whole number there. This is a big whole number where people are usually defending that. Remember, we have 607 to the top side. Beautiful trade, Dakota. I love to see this.
I'm going to pull out a couple right here and right at 600.
Talk me through this trade if you don't mind, what you were looking for. I know we were in the gully of despair and you were looking to find a bottom in this market. Successfully, you did that. Talk me through how you're trying to layer out of this trade and what your topside targets are.
Moon, baby. We're going moon. We're going moon.
Moon or dust, and he says moon. I love it.
No, I've closed out of most of my position. I was in 10 micros, one full mini basically. Started closing some right here at 600. Closed the majority out. Closed 80% right there between 600 and 608. Let's see where this could go. I'm going to switch over to the 5-minute. We probably see that 3-bar reversal. Man, that was a picture-perfect 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute chart with a major downtrend. Had some consolidation, and we basically got in. We got in a little early, which is okay. You know, with being in early, like I've been trying to get in early, you take that risk. You have lower probabilities, but a higher risk reward. And let's see if we can find some buyers. This is that 3-bar reversal I was looking for. Came in right at 50, you know, was it 950 Central? And let's watch. Let's watch and see what this market does. Whether we did reject those 600s pretty hard. Don't like to see that, obviously.
Let me ask you this, Dakota. What was the level that we rejected at?
607, baby.
Oh, my goodness.
That level that we had marked.
GPS guiding our trades once again, and that's where you came out from that beautiful, beautiful long. And I love to see the reaction on that, using our beautiful today to guide our trades.
Yeah, see, this is the reason why I don't mind taking small loss, downs, loss. And then once you start to feel confident about a trade, you build into it, and then bam. Sometimes it does work out.
Nick for a tick up $3,800 times 5 XFAs. That's almost a $20,000 day for leaderboard leader Nick for a tick. Give it up for Nick for a tick, folks.
212 down there on NQ. All right, I'm going to put my stop loss at 611.
What's up, Dakota? Right above Dakota's head here. And it's going to be an exciting show.
And just let this thing run.
For that tomorrow for Thursday's show. It's going to be fantastic.
Yes, I'm excited.
So stop loss 611. There we are.
Well worth it. Now,
And that is that for today. Amazing day. So started with one loss, ended with a win on CL and a big win on NQ, and then a combination of plus 4R on the 1R account. So over 5R on the 1R account today. Incredible day. Hopefully we'll have it the same type of thing tomorrow with PPI. I love these mornings that we have huge news before the market, so I don't have to avoid any news, but we have the volume and the volatility to capitalize. So that's it for me. I love y'all. I'll see you here tomorrow. If you're going to keep trading, be safe. Don't lose all your profits. Don't lose any profits if you can help it. If you're happy with the profits you've made today, consider locking out your account.